After a tepid start this morning in the markets, now their mojo is back. So the benchmark indices are surely trading in the green. Sensex hitting new highs, Nifty trading above the 16,300 levels, and surely shows how the mojo is back for the benchmark indices. Sensex is trading around the 54,650 levels, up almost 0.5% in trade, as well as Nifty also is 0.5% in trade as well. Moving on, let's talk about the broader markets. Broader markets, on the other hand, are actually underperforming the benchmark indices, down almost 0.5% in trade, both the Nifty mid-cap as well as the small-cap space. Talking about sectors in the Nifty space, in Nifty, PSU banks, Nifty Realty as well as Nifty Media are among the top laggards in the sector performance, while Nifty IT and Infra are the top gainers in the sector space. Now, other than that, when you look at individual stocks today, we're seeing Airtel doing quite well. It's up almost 6% in trade as well, among the top Nifty gainers in trade. Now, obviously, PSU banks are the ones which have been dragging, as we know. The Nifty PSU was also down by almost 2% in trade. Other than that, now let's have a quick look at which are the other individual stock movers in trade today on the back of some news flow. We have Sonata Software, which is up 6% in trade after a solid set of numbers was reported by the company. The company's Q1 profits have actually jumped by 73%. Revenues also up by almost 33% in trade. Time Technoplast also has advanced 7% on the back of an order win coming in for the company. So here, when you look at it, they've got an order of around 35 crores from a multinational gas distributor company, and that is why a good up move coming in the stock as well. Shipping Corp of India, another stock which has been buzzing in trade, up almost 2 to 3% after the board has approved the proposal for the demerger of the company of its non-core assets to a new undertaking. So the demerger is to facilitate an effective and efficient divestment of the company. Then we do have Sumitomo Chemical India, which is in focus. It's also up 2 to 3% in trade after an upbeat set of numbers was reported by the company. The profits have jumped by 35%, while the revenues are also up by 21% on a year-on-year basis. On the other hand, among the top losers, we have Vodafone Idea, which has hit the lower circuit, down 20% in trade, with obviously very heavy volumes that we're seeing coming in here after Kumar Mangalam Birla has stepped down as the company's non-executive chairman and the non-executive director. So surely some pressure building in on this after this news flow came in last evening. So that's why the stock is reacting today in trade and down. It's locked in upper circuit today. Then we do have HPCL also, which is in focus today on the back of its numbers. It's down 2% in trade after the Q1 profits have actually fallen by 36% on a year-on-year basis, mainly dragged by higher costs as well as lower other incomes also. Now, so that is what is causing the pressure on these stocks, and these are the stock movers in trade this afternoon. Let's see how they end in trade as well.